Personnel development nowadays in some of the companies is a real headache. We have clients where the company is reducing their budgets, so they have to optimize their cost structure in order to survive the next years or the next 10 years. What they do, unfortunately, of course, they reduce also the budget for personnel development, for development and learning. At the same time, the leaders have difficulties to see, and in our leadership trainings and programs, we try to make them aware that personnel development, training, learning is not only about taking part in a seminar or in a training or in an MBA course or whatever. So this is in a way 10% of the learning cake, so to say. 20% is about feedback, personal feedback, giving feedback to your employees, talking about their behavior, about the performance, about the what, the performance, and about the how, the behavior, the attitude, is also very, very important. So it's 20%, and we have 30%. But the 70%, 70%, huge amount of the cake is about learning in the practicing tasks, jobs, projects. So really working in the day-to-day business, in projects, in overall projects for the company, for the business unit, for the team. So this is a major stake of the learning cake, the learning concept. When I started working at Schering, now it's part of Bayer Chemicals or Pharmaceuticals, I was working in the corporate development, and within the corporate development in the leadership function. We were called leadership organization. So it was not so much about development, but it was about structures, about organizational development, about change management. We didn't call them that time change management, but it was organizational corporate development. And our mission was always go to the projects, and then reflect, of course, 10% in trainings and seminars, and 20% also in self-reflection, which feedback is part of it. So getting feedbacks from your clients, from your colleagues, from your boss, and checking yourself, reflecting your behavior, reflecting the way you talk, you think, you act. And this is a very, very important part of learning. 20%, but 70% go into projects, go abroad, be an expatriate, hope the company will support you, especially when you come back, but also when you go out, change the country, stay in the company, change the business unit, change the department. This is all about learning. This is real development. And if you, by doing this, combine it with self-reflection and also going to trainings which are related to your job, like leadership training or training on strategy development or coaching, this would be great. So just start with it, just do it.